Hey everyone, welcome to the Weather Show with Vin Crosby. I'm meteorologist Vin Crosby on this beautiful September 20th evening. The last, I think, of the beautiful evenings. I shouldn't say the last, but we are going to see some changes coming our way due to the weather. Beautiful backdrop with the mountains behind me, you know, the football teams practicing. It's just a gorgeous evening. A slight breeze, temperatures, gosh, in the low 80s. A great time to get out and enjoy the evening. However, we do have some changes coming our way, and I'm hearing people just in passing say it's going to rain all day tomorrow and Thursday, and that couldn't be further from the truth. As a matter of fact, some areas in Southwest Idaho and Ada and Canyon County won't see a drop of rain over the next 24 to 48 hours. And I'm going to break it down for you and explain exactly why that will be. But some other areas in the Gem State in southern Idaho will see severe thunderstorms during the day tomorrow, down close to the Magic Valley, maybe just east of Boise, closer to Mountain Home. So we're going to break that down for you here. You can see a big spin in the clouds down by California. This is a cutoff area, low pressure. It will continue to move on up towards the north and the east and then kind of pinwheel on through the area very slowly over the next couple of days. What happens a lot with these storm systems, there's something called the dry slot, and that dry slot pinwheels on through. And because of the wind formation, where the winds are coming from the south and southwest over those Iwahi Mountains, if you've watched me for the years I've been on TV, I've talked about the Iwahi Shuffle, a lot of the storms bending and going around those storms and continuing to kind of pulse and split and go around the Iwahi Mountains to the south. Now, there will be enough wind energy and diffluence in the atmosphere, though, fanning of the winds aloft, which will bring what we call convergence down near the surface, air rising, and then that forming some thunderstorms in the afternoon, the evening hours for your Wednesday, the 21st. Now, the line of strong to severe storms, when they form, again, look to be down by Mountain Home, points on towards the east. I think that's where we'll see the biggest gusts of wind, biggest possibilities of some wind damage in the Treasure Valley, where here in much of Idaho, I think it's going to be mostly dry, with the exception, I said with the exception, my hair popping up? I hope it is. I look like the Woody Woodpecker. Hey, thunderstorm pops up. So a thunderstorm could pop up, one or two. Not saying it's going to be completely dry. There could be some scattered showers and storms in the Treasure Valley tomorrow, dotted across the area, and they could pulse up and become strong with a gust of wind or two here up to around 40 miles per hour. But as far as a continuous rain, not seeing that at all unfold here in Southwest Idaho. As the system continues to pinwheel and move out, though, we are going to see rain showers kind of form back towards Ontario, Weiser, over by New Plymouth, and then the core of the upper level low, the center of that big spin of clouds down by California right now, that will continue to move on up, and then we could see a little stretch of one or two storms over the area for an extended hour or two, but that's it. Then that will move out and we'll have some dry sections in between. So that's kind of what I'm looking for to happen. It will cool down. It's been real pleasant over the last couple of days. We are going to continue to have it cool down. Sounds like they're playing the national anthem. Let's pause for the national anthem. Can you hear that off in the distance? I don't know if you can. So I heard the national anthem. We paused for the national anthem. Let's continue to do some weather forecasting here. So I think the strongest storms, the more strong storms with damaging winds, I should say, will be over in the Magic Valley and East Idaho. Can't rule out some getting real close to Boise. Maybe in eastern Ada County, maybe East Boise, one or two in the afternoon or the evening hours, and then that will continue pressing towards the east. Again, Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening, could get some strong gusty winds, maybe some small hail, that all moving east. But as far as, say, Boise downtown and western areas of Boise, maybe one storm comes through tomorrow, maybe two popping up across the Treasure Valley, but they'll move on through very quickly during the afternoon and the evening hours. So that's all I have for you here. Thanks for tuning in to the Weather Show with Vin Crosby. You know, in the days to come, just hit hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, because I will be giving my winter weather outlook, the annual winter weather outlook. We'll be giving that out. Last year, nailed it for the first half of the winter. Not so much the second half, but boy, do you remember last year? We wiped out the drought in the West, including California. It was so active because of the La Nina weather pattern. I'll let you know if that's going to be coming up with my winter weather outlook, one of my most favorable things to do, favorite things to do, and most requested video by far for folks in the Northwest. So if you do want any of winter weather outlook or any weather insights for you, wherever you're viewing from, just hit me up in the message, the chat. I'll get in touch with you. Maybe on Facebook, just give me a message if you want a personalized weather forecast, and I'll let you know what needs to happen for that to happen. So thanks for tuning in to the Weather Show with Vin Crosby. Check out some of the video here from last year's winter weather outlook.